I'm ready now to drill 2 holes in this part and then tap them 12, 13. So first I'm going to find center of this and then this edge here using the center finder. Nothing too special here. Just want to make sure where it is. Alright, I'm zeroed in row. And about here, note that the draw shows 5 oversized, so my measurement is about 5 over because I know the part is 0.96. Each side of the measuring device is 0.1, so it should be 1.160. So I'm a little bit off, but I don't think it's going to be such a big deal. And now to find the other edge. About here. I have to remember the tool is, I have to move it 0.1 because the diameter of the tip is 0.2. So a quick note of where to actually drill those holes. I want them as far apart as possible, but I don't want them so close to the edge here that, you know, I won't be able to have it look nicely. I mean, look at this, the bolt here. If it's too far in here, I cannot use this washer, and this bolt head might actually stick out a little bit. So I'm thinking about 0.65. Now on the other end, I have this T-slot here that is about 0.575 deep. So let's say it's 0.6 deep. So I have to be at least 250 away from it, which is 850. So this way, if I'm 850 away from it, and probably my thread might just be few thou away. So 850 seems risky. So how about 900? So 900 is probably the closest thing I can be to this edge to drill. Now, how deep I want to drill? I want to drill 1.25 inches, and the reason for that is this whole part is about 1.6 inches. I want to drill 1.25. Then I want to thread about an inch which is probably an overkill, but this screw will probably go 3/4 of an inch deep. There's no reason to go too shallow, so might as well go a little bit deeper. It won't hurt anything, and if it was too shallow, that would be a little bit of a problem later on. So anyways, that's the plan. Alright, so here I'm making the first hole in terms of drilling at 65. And the other one is 0.9 from the other edge, so it's the part is 3.2, so it's 2.3 over. And done. Okay, I'm drilling the first hole. The speed is about 600, which is 500 plus the hertz difference. Otherwise, I have to switch to back gear. So we'll see how this drills. Technically, it should be okay. But sometimes reality is different than what the book says. Probably should add some coolant. Come on. Out. Oh well, I guess have to use my trusty white coolant. And done. Now I have to just do it the same for the other hole. And here I am power tapping this first hole. Obviously, to make it deeper, I would have to do it with manually. And same for the other hole.